Hello YouTube! In this video we'll be changing the cabin filter on a VW Golf. Let's get started. First step. Open the glove box and remove all its contents. Then push upward on both plastic clips, one on the left and one on the right side of the glove box at the same time. This will allow the glove box to open past its usual position. With that done, you'll see the plastic cabin filter cover. The cover has 3 clips along the top. Press them down while gently pulling the cover out. I started with the right clip and worked my way to the left. Once the last clip is released, the cover can be removed. Set it aside and pull out the old cabin air filter. As you can see in my case, it was quite dirty. Definitely ready for a change. With the old filter out, unpack the new filter element and push it into the slot. Be sure to check the airflow direction arrow. It should be pointing downward, toward the ground. Now reinstall the cover. Make sure all 3 clips snap securely into place. Then, gently close the glove box past the stoppers. Before closing it fully, make sure the damper arm on the right side is properly inserted into its guide. And that's it, you're good to go. If you liked this video and want to see more content like this, please subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Bye!